Hello guys, welcome to our channel Google Tech India 1.0. In this video you are going to learn how to send the confidential email in the Gmail. If you are the user of Gmail, you must know these confidential email settings. If you know these settings, you can send any email in confidential mode. Let's look the interesting feature of Gmail. Now you can open your Gmail and then go to the compose settings. You can have the plus symbol with the compose in left hand side top. Okay, when you open the new message, you can have the multiple options at the bottom. You can see here, turn on the confidential email mode. Okay, just to click this confidential mode and then set the expired. Okay, you can send the message will be expired 1 day. Okay, 1 month, 3 months, 5 years. There are few options have provided by the Gmail. And then you can also have some other options: password, SMS password. If you would like to set the SMS password, just you can change the settings and then select the expire the email time, then save these modifications on your Gmail account. It is very useful. And these confidential email is not possible to forward to someone else from their account. You can see here at the bottom, the message is displayed confidential mode. Okay, they also given the expired date. This email, after receiving this email by the recipient, within 1 day this message will be disappeared or expired on their email. This confidential email could not be forwarded or it cannot be downloaded on their account. So this feature is a wonderful and amazing feature. You must know about it. Just I'm going to show you the demo right now. You can see here, I'm sending one email to my another Gmail account. Just I'm writing here Google Tech India 1.0. Okay, for checking to show the confidential email mode in the Gmail friends. Just you can see here, this is a wonderful feature. This is given by the Gmail. Now I'm going to see and I will show you the demo here. You can see here, I have received the email. You are looking here, confidential mode August 17th 2020. This email will be expired. You cannot able to find this email after the expired date. Okay, this is wonderful features given by the Gmail friends. If you want to send any confidential email to someone else, you can follow these simple settings. If you don't know about it yet, now I have given complete tutorial about this confidential email setting in Gmail friends. In all over the world, everyone using the Gmail account to send or to pass the information to someone else via internet. When you are sending any important message in the internet, the emails should be in safe, for which they have given these good opportunity to the users, Gmail users. I don't think other email service providing company have given these wonderful feature to the users. I never heard about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's see in next video, friends.